Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to turn off and disable autocorrect and predictive text on your Samsung S8 Plus phone and Samsung S8 II, of course. So what you have to do, go to settings, when you are in settings menu, scroll down until you see general management and click on it. After that, click on language and input. After that, click on screen keyboard. After that, click on Samsung keyboard. Now, click on smart typing. And here it is. Simply, if you don't want to see predictive text, just turn off this slider and no more predictive text and auto replace. If you want to keep predictive text but to disable auto replace, then enter in auto replace and just this slider turn off, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment section below. It means a lot to me.